Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Oxiclean White Revive product on the market, the Oxiclean White Revive Laundry Whitener and Stain Remover Liquid. This powerful formula is designed to bring your whites back to life with 40% more whitening power per load than traditional chlorine bleach. But without the harsh chemicals and unpleasant chlorine smell. This oxygen-based, color-safe stain remover is perfect for brightening whites and lifting away tough stains. From all your machine-washable white clothes, canvas sneakers, sheets, and even t-shirts. Unlike chlorine bleach, it won't cause spills or splatters that can damage colored fabrics, making it a safer choice for your entire laundry routine. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. You can use it as a laundry booster by adding it alongside your regular detergent. For stubborn stains, it doubles as a pre-treatment solution. You simply apply the liquid directly to the stain before washing. For the best results, soaking dingy whites in a mixture of White Revive and water can help restore their brightness and remove those lingering stains effectively. The liquid comes in a convenient 50 fluid ounce bottle, and in this pack, you get 2 bottles for extended use. It's suitable for both high-efficiency and standard washing machines, so no matter what machine you have, this product will work well. The formula contains a blend of ingredients that not only whiten and brighten but also gently care for your fabrics. It includes enzymes like protease and amylase to break down protein and starch stains, while other components help lift and remove dirt and grime. All this is achieved without chlorine, so your laundry smells fresh without the overpowering bleach scent. Safety and ease of use are important, and this product ticks both boxes. It's gentle enough on clothes but tough on stains and dinginess. Because it's chlorine-free, you don't have to worry about damaging your favorite whites or accidentally bleaching colored garments nearby. In terms of packaging, each bottle is designed for easy pouring and measuring, helping you use just the right amount for each load. The product dimensions and weight make it manageable to handle and store, and the 2-pack ensures you have enough supply to keep your whites looking vibrant for a long time. Beyond just laundry, customers have found it effective on canvas sneakers, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal. It brightens and revives fabric without harsh chemicals, making it a safer and more pleasant alternative to traditional bleach. In summary, the Oxiclean White Revive Laundry Whitener and Stain Remover Liquid stands out. Because it offers powerful whitening, stain removal, and fabric care without chlorine bleach's risks and odors. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking to keep whites bright and clothes looking fresh. That wraps up our look at this product here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more honest product reviews.